How to do Widgetsmith on iPhone. If you want to do Widgetsmith on iPhone, which means to also add a widget from Widgetsmith, first make sure that you've downloaded the Widgetsmith app, and this is the interface you will see. And after you open it up, you can choose any type of widget that you want. So I'll just go ahead and select one of the widgets like this. And once I've done that, here I can choose whatever I want in this widget, whether I want a certain theme, and I can go to that theme or collection. If I go there and I select a photo, I can go to Photos tab, I can tap on choose from photo. There I can simply choose a certain photo of the widget that I wish to add. Then there you can see I've added it. I can add some of the frames to it if I want more. Then I can tap on options, I can tap tinted or I can select full color. I could also apply some filters and tap the save button. Now we've created a widget, we have to add this widget to our home screen, right? So what we have to do to add widget to our home screen on iPhone from Widgetsmith is long press on an empty space like you would normally add any other widget. Tap the edit icon from the top left and there you can find the option add widget. So just tap on it. Now when you go to add widget, there scroll down until you find Widgetsmith and tap on it. Then choose the size that you created earlier. It was a small widget in my case. So I'll select the small widget and drag them on and tap the done button. But you can see it's still not showing. We have one more step left. To long press on that Widgetsmith widget and then tap on edit widget. Then from there it'll select us to choose a widget. So tap on choose and select the widget that you created. In my case it was number 1. So once I've done that, it will take some time, but you can see the widget has loaded up on your iPhone. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.